What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So, cryptocurrency doesn't look great today, especially when you look at altcoins. You see Bitcoin that may be dropping a little bit, but altcoins seem to be dropping more. And while we thought that it was truly altcoin season and we're going to see the dominance of Bitcoin drop and drop some more and drop some more and drop some more and drop some more, we didn't see that, right? We're starting to see it kind of recover a little bit. Yes, it's not getting back to the 60% that it's at or that it was at, but we are seeing it go up from the 53, 52% mark that it was at. So we are seeing the market fall back down, but this could be honestly the calm before the storm, or this could be the crash before we see the dash, or the crash before we see an explosion. This could be the fall before we see everything take off to a whole nother level. So with that being said, let's look at the market. Guys, hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. You can check out my link for X, my X account, as well as my Patreon account. I just released a video on leverage trading and going through using BTCC and using a leverage trading platform to help you with gaining more money by not investing a lot of money, right? So if you guys want to check that out, that'll be down there in the description. But at the top of the description, I will have a link for my leverage trading platform that I'm partnering with, BTCC, 10% deposit bonus for first deposits if you use my link, specifically my link down below. You'll also get 10,000 up to 10,000 extra dollars of extra bonuses, potentially, depending on the different things that you do, per user, and 40% lower trading fees. So feel free to check out my link down below for BTCC if you guys are interested in that. But over these last few weeks, maybe a month, maybe further than that, we've been seeing the market make some consistent moves. Seeing Bitcoin hit $100,000, not only hit $100,000, surpass it. It got to $103,000 per coin. Just imagine that. You held on to that from a long period of time ago, right? It was at $400, $1,000, and now it's worth, $103,000, or currently it's not worth $103,000, but it was at one point. Amazing. Right, so seeing the level of growth, seeing XRP make its move, seeing Jasmine Coin make moves, seeing Solana make those moves over this time period that we've been looking for since, 2022, the end of 2022, when things started to pick up for Bitcoin and Solana. It just looks like we're in an amazing spot, right? So let's talk about where we are right now. Let's go to the crypto market. And if we go into CoinMarketCap, this is where we get all the data. If you guys want to go and check them out, give them a look as well. We're currently at a $3.56 trillion market cap with a 3% decrease in the overall market cap. Now, when it comes to the dominance, we're currently back up to 54.4%. I believe we were down to like 52, like mid 52 percentage, points at those levels for a low when it comes to Bitcoin's dominance, but now we're back up to 54.4%, and seeing Bitcoin that's dropping a little bit less than everything else. If you look at some things that are trending, you have one thing that's notable is Pepe is still trending. It's still positive 3.5%. That's probably going to make massive moves in this altcoin season, I would imagine, seeing at least a $40 billion market cap. Anyways, which we're currently standing at like a $10 billion market cap. But Bitcoin is down to $98,000. It's down by 1.84%. And over the last 7 days, it is still up by 1.5%. Ethereum in the last 7 days, still up by 6%, but in the last 24 hours, down by 3%. And you're going to see it get even worse, right? 6% for XRP that it is down on the last day, 11% down for the last 7 days. This has been something that has risen up to a level of about $3. And has since kind of come back from that level and has been fluctuating, from like 220 to 260 and obviously back down to 240. Solana is sitting at $225, down almost 5%. BNB is down by 2.5%. Dogecoin is down by 6%. Cardano's down by 5%. Tron's down by 6 or almost 7%. If we look at some of the biggest gainers today, you can see that Floki is up a decent amount. It's up by 5%. Pepe, another meme coin, is up by 3.7% at an $11.6 billion market cap. Sorry, I misspoke. by saying that it was at a $10 billion market cap. It's actually at 11, almost $12 billion market cap. We also are going to see Leo that's up by 1%, but everything else in the market in the top 100 is down. You really only have three things that are not stable coins that are up. And even the stable coin is slightly down. You probably get the Tether and it's down by 0.05%. So that's even down more than what you would see. You would think it would be just zero or not down at all, but you are still going to see that fluctuation there. If we look at some of the biggest losers in the top 100, you have PopCat, you have CRV, you have HNT, you have Quant that's down quite a bit, but that's still up 12% over the last 7 days. So that's still very, very interesting. Celestia, ApeCoin, and so on and so forth, right? So the markets don't necessarily look amazing right now. They're not in the greatest spot, but to me, they actually do. Now, why? Why do they look good to me? They don't look good on the fact that we're not seeing green, right? Or we're seeing a bunch of green, and I'm saying, oh, it looks amazing because we're not seeing that, right? The reason why it looks good to me is because now when we see negative days, it gives you a little freedom, right? To reset the RSI, to give people a place to where they want to invest and not just feel like you missed absolutely everything. When you see that, you have people that are very greedy and then people start being fearful. And when they are fearful, you want to be greedy and start making these investments if you are not in the crypto market yet. So it provides people with an opportunity to get into the markets, but that's kind of the only reason as to why it's more exciting than that. And also, my phone almost fell out of my pocket. And also, I think it's a bigger deal when we look at cryptocurrency as a whole and we're looking for 2025 to be insanely bullish. And we have all of this bullish activity that's happening on the way up to that, right? I don't want to see 2025. We get into 2025 and we've had nothing but bullish momentum throughout the entire month of December. I didn't want to see that. What I want to see is a kind of a pre-market pivot in a way. Like December is kind of the pre-market and the actual market open is January 1st. I want to see it kind of slide down all throughout the end of the year. And then when it gets to the new year, everything absolutely takes off. So many people are for it. So many things are happening. So much news is going on, whether it comes to XRP or it's just cryptocurrency in general, cryptocurrency in the government, use for cryptocurrency. We start seeing all of those things that come up. And then everything explodes. So that's why I say that this is that fall. This is that fall that we need, the resetting of the RSI, the retracement that we need until we see things absolutely explode from here. That's my opinion, but it could always be wrong. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you guys check out some of the links down below for BTCC, for my X account, as well as Patreon. That's the word I was looking for. Patreon is down there in the description. I'm going to get out of here before I lose my complete train of thought. And I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.